Hello everyone, I hope you guys are fine and enjoying. I recently had to change my Dell laptop's keyboard and I thought it would be better to put the video online for you guys to benefit. I've got a Dell Inspiron 630M and hopefully most of the Inspiron models will follow the same process when changing the keyboard. For this process, what we will need is a replacement keyboard, of course. I bought it off eBay. You can buy it from Dell or you can buy it from anywhere you like. I got it for £14 delivered. I think it's quite cheaper. Secondly, you will use two screwdrivers, one with a flat head like this and the other one with four like this one. Okay. You can choose a kitchen knife as well, but I think it's better to have something specialized. Not to forget your Dell laptop. Now I will take you to the autopsy table. Okay, so first of all you will need to replace the battery because two of the screws that hold the keyboards are hidden under the battery. So we will unscrew these. One is here and the second one is just here. They've got a letter K on them, so you won't really miss them. And the second one. Okay, now flip the laptop over slowly so you don't miss the screws. Put the screws at some safe space. Then we will turn the laptop over. There we go. Oh, there's a little notch here. Just this one here. Okay, so we will take it out here. Slip your fingers beneath it. Easily, carefully, it'll come off. Okay, here we are. Okay. Now, my laptop hasn't got any screws on the top here. Some of them have got them, but this one hasn't. So all you have to do is lift it up carefully. Okay, there we are. Here we've got this attacher. I'll show you that closely. This one here. Simply slip your finger beneath it. Lift it over. It's like a lid. There you go. Take this connector out. Okay, now we'll bring the new one over. We'll put the connector back on. Oops, wait a second. It's in place. Put it back on. And you can easily put it back like this. First the base, then the top. Make sure it fits into the place. Put this one back here. Just be careful not to put too much pressure on it. Nice and easy. All we have to do is put these screws back and I wonder where I'll put the screws. There you are. Okay, make sure they're not too tight. because it's really delicate. Second one. The battery also. Hopefully this machine is gonna work. Looks like I can type my password in, so it is working. That's all, folks.